I'm Tina Service with Lead Titan, GoHighLevel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create trigger links or tracking links that you can use inside of any of the emails or text messaging. You can also put these links on your website. So, first of all, why would you want to have a trigger link or a tracking link? Inside of GoHighLevel, you can actually do an analysis to figure out which links are actually working for you, how many of these links or how many times the links have been clicked on during a different time period. So it's just really good to see like what is working in your marketing. And it's good to see like what information is working. So you can see like we have a Google review trigger link for our Rochester location, which is going to take them to our Google My Business page. And then we have one from Buffalo. So you can see like our Buffalo didn't get much traction. It got one link and this one got two. Now you can certainly change the date of this as well, and maybe take it like, we'll do this whole year and just see what the information comes back for this. Once I show you, let's see if it pops up here. Okay, so it looks like the data is not going to show here, but let me just do a different time frame just to give you an idea. Okay, so we're going to do this month, which is November, and it's just going to show you how many people click the Book Now button and all the different review links that we have going out. So you can see our Book Now button got clicked 184 times. And then our reviews for Buffalo and Rochester and Tampa, our partnership discovery. So these are all different links that we have that we want to track for our company. Okay, so let me dive right in and show you how to create a trigger link and how you can put it into your text messages and your emails. So in here, you're going to just go to marketing, and then you're going to go to trigger links, and then you're going to go to links, and you're going to do add link. And you can name this trigger link whatever you want, but ideally what you want to do is you want to add a name that's going to make sense to you. So say like, for example, I start doing an AI special for Black Friday. And then the link that I want to send them to is going to be whatever my URL is for my Black Friday special. So I believe I have open one of my affiliate links. So let me just go grab that. Okay, so now I'm going to put that link in here. I'm going to paste it and I'm going to save it. So now if I want to go and create a text message that I want to send out to all of my contacts, I'm just going to go over to contacts and I'm going to select everyone. I'm not going to send this out, but this is just for testing purposes. I'm going to do send an SMS. And then in here, we're going to add the trigger link. So I just used a template in here. And so this is for a Black Friday special. And now I just want to add the trigger link in here. So over on the right-hand side, you can see this little tag thing. You can see the attachment link, and you can also see the emoji. So where you're going to find the trigger links, it's going to be under this this tag. It looks like a price tag to me. So I'm going to click that. We're going to go over to the left. We're going to go all the way down to where it says trigger links. And then in here, we're going to go and find the link that we just created, AI Special Black Friday. We're going to add that in here. And you can see I clicked the button twice. So I'm going to just take this one out. You can tell where this starts and stops with the double curly brackets. So all of the coding inside of GoHighLevel is going to have these double curly brackets. That's how you know when it starts and stops. So it's going to have that code in here. And then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and send this out. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel now. But that is how you go in and create trigger links for your marketing.